Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Just a very quick short word for you guys. There's this campaign being run by the city of Cape Town. It's called To Give Responsibly. Now what that means is, as often as we see a homeless people or the guy begging on the corners, then we tend to be motivated to go and do good by giving him something, giving him food, clothes, or sometimes money. Guys, that is not giving responsibly. I want to encourage you guys to get alongside organizations, trusted organizations that's working in communities, and support them. You can either go with them if you don't know where your seed or donation is going. Go with them and go and do the good work they're doing. Or if you just trust them, just give the things to them to help these people, to help people that's in need of help. By us not giving responsibly, by us stopping by the beggar on the corners, or going to the spots where they're sleeping and just giving as an individual, or a few of us that feel like doing good. By us doing that, we're actually supporting a nature within them that says that I don't need to get a job, I don't need to be skilled or employed, I don't need to get off the street, because I don't want that responsibilities. I don't want the added responsibilities upon me. So because there is people that actually help me and feed this need. No, people, let's not give irresponsibly, but rather let's give responsibly by supporting the trusted organizations within our communities that's already doing this good work. There's people that's building relationship. They go through rehabilitation, they go through a whole profiling system, they're being referred to wherever they need to be, and there's constant follow-ups through organizations that's working with these people. But by you just going to that one individual, feeding his need, and then also feeling good about what you just did, guys, that is not giving responsibly. And I know some of you might disagree with me, but that's actually true. We've been doing this for 3 years, and even the guys on the street, we've been working with homeless people, and even the guys on the streets will tell you, why do I have to go and improve my life if there is people that's taking good care of me? So please, let us become responsible by equipping ourselves with this knowledge that there is a way to give responsibly. Then also, one last word. Organizations, the givers, leaders, institutions, whoever that's doing the good work, let us not manipulate people into giving. Let us not tell people, you come out of this nice warm home, you have this nice warm clothes, you have blankets and a nice bed you can sleep in, while there's people out there that don't have. No, that is manipulation. Let us not manipulate people into giving. Please, people, let us not do that. Also, for those that give, do not give out of being manipulated, but be stirred up in you to do good in the lives of people that live around you. So guys, be blessed. I hope my message or this word that I just gave you, I hope it empowers you through knowledge. And I would like to encourage you guys, go and read up on this policy, go and read up on this campaign. It's the Give Responsibly campaign, Give Responsible campaign, and then for more questions, just connect with me, get on our page. It's the A Grace Project, the A Grace, like the Amazing Grace. It's the A Grace Project. That's our page on Facebook. And let's just continue, to empower one another through knowledge. So please, this winter, for those that's going to help people, give responsibly. Give responsibly. Let us not feed into a system where people actually, their nature or the frail nature that they find themselves in, it get advanced. That nature of desperation, that nature that wants to go and steal and rob, let us not feed into that. Let us not support that nature, but let us get alongside the experts. Let us get, and I'm not by any means saying that we're the experts, but you know who they are. Go and get around the social workers, go and get around the organizations and the psychologists and the doctors and the nurses and all those people. Get alongside them and ask them, how can I help? Well, I hope this helped, and see you guys soon. Cheers, man.